Just a quick video for a Land Rover Discovery 4 with 3 rear upper tailgate latch not unlocking, and it unlocks with the key, the fob. So you press the fob and it'll unlock, which means that the actual latch mechanism still works. But what I did find was if you press this button, there was actually nothing happening. Pulled it all out, checked for continuity between the two pins, which is the two small ones right back there, pin 1 and pin 4. I think I can't really see. Anyway, what I did find was a little bit of corrosion on one wire, so there's no continuity getting through between the switch. BCM, can't see what it is, so I've just soldered in a wire and heat shrunk it in there. Anyway, something different, definitely not the standard actuator or anything else like that. So if you want to save yourself some money and you're pretty handy with a multimeter, I've just got a cheap multimeter, and testing continuity between the two. It's obviously a bit of a pain to pull this thing out, but it's all that it is a micro switch down in there. And yeah, hope this helps somebody else.